Introducing the 2022 Polestar 2, long range. Dual motor 5 door auto in sleek black. This electric saloon is packed with cutting-edge technology, from air conditioning to satellite navigation. Safety is paramount, with features like 360 view camera and collision avoidance braking. Enjoy luxurious touches, like ambient lighting and power steering, in the spacious interior. This vehicle has undergone a full health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out. Call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information on this top-of-the-line vehicle.